Headline: Stream Finance halts withdrawals after $93 million loss. xUSD depegs 75%. Published at 12:43 p.m. November 4, 2025. Stream Finance has halted deposits and withdrawals from its platform in response to the loss of $93 million of Stream Fund assets. The news caused the xUSD Yield Vault token to depeg over 75%. At the time of writing, it's trading at 30 cents rather than its target price of around $1.27. It blames the loss on an external fund manager overseeing Stream funds. Read more. DeFi projects under fire for inflated TVL and murky lending loops. Just over a week ago, concerns began to circulate over a tangled web of yield vaults, including Stream Finance's xUSD. The high yields offered were often propped up via looped lending and borrowing of their own and each other's assets. Since then, total value locked, TVL, on Stream has dropped from a high of over $200 million to just $98 million today, per DeFi Llama data. The platform lost $50 million in TVL yesterday alone. Proto's previous reporting looked into a DeFi daisy chain of lending between Stream Finance's xUSD, Yieldify's YUSD, and Elixir's DUSD. Most of the strategies also relied on Midas's mHyper to greater or lesser extent. The assets were leveraged against each other on decentralized finance lending platforms such as Morpho and Ruler. These assets mostly bill themselves as a variation on stablecoin-backed market-neutral strategies, similar to Athena's USDE. The transparency page of Stream Finance's website reads, "Coming soon," with a link to a bundle of addresses on portfolio tracker DBank, standing in for any detailed proof of reserves. In response to last week's criticism, Stream split up its TVL to show user deposits against assets under management, i.e., the purported value of leveraged positions. The data is currently at odds with DeFi Llama's metrics. Read more. Balancer exploit drains $129 million in DeFi disaster. As confidence waned and TVL began to drop, the unwinding of looped positions led to a spike in borrowing rates, with one critic estimating Stream to be paying over $500,000 in interest daily. Ex-user Yields and More posted an analysis of all vaults and stablecoins that have indirect exposure to Stream. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.